sorry, I couldn't hear you over the volume of my hair. Welcome back to my bathroom. So yeah, welcome to another episode of Vlogmas. It is Vlogmas day 9, and in today's video I'm going to be straightening my natural hair. So this is what my hair looks like freshly washed. She's bouncy, she's big, she dries super quick. So yeah, I have been natural for 5 years. And no, it's probably about 5 years that I have been natural, and I had a big chop in 2015, and it was not because I wanted to, it was because I had to. And so this is my growth since 2015. I had a big chop, and then I relaxed my hair because I had like a pixie cut. It wasn't it, okay? So I ended up relaxing it after I had it cut super short, and then once it grew out, I cut all the relaxed ends off. So I have been completely natural since 2015, and here is my growth. I have not dyed my hair up until like a couple months ago. I just haven't put like any chemicals on it because I just am trying to be out here thriving. So this is not my first time ever straightening my hair. I have straightened my hair a lot in the past. I have not straightened my hair in 2 years. So yeah, if I pull and stretch out my hair, it comes down to like right here. We'll see. I probably am going to need a trim after I'm done. So yeah, I just wanted to straighten my hair for you guys. It's nice and it's cool out. It's not humid anymore, so I can actually straighten my hair and enjoy it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and spray some product in my hair, and then let's get started. So I got this product in a BoxyCharm, and it is the Way Leave-In Conditioner. I would have never bought this on its own because I want to say that everything from this line is like super expensive. But it does a nice job at like lightly moisturizing the hair, because when I straighten it, I don't like to have like heavy products because then your hair comes out like greasy and it just looks heavy and it doesn't, you know, move or anything. So I just kind of spray this everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and divide my hair in half. So then I'm going to take this Eden Body Works blow dry cream, and I'm going to put that all over this section before I start blow drying. I lied. I straightened my hair last year, and it was, I think, during Vlogmas, and it was a fail. It turned out so bad. I have this Denman brush that has like boar bristles in between the little plastic ones, and this really helps to get your hair super smooth. So I'm gonna use that as I am blow drying my hair.
We got by falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and round. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you.
It's hot. Look at the difference. This is crazy. And I'm gonna go over this one more time. I like to just dry my hair, and then I'll go in with a different blow dryer that has a comb attachment, and I'll really like smooth out my hair. But look at the difference. Oh, that's crazy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this side, and I'll be right back. I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you over the volume of my hair. Okay, all right. Now for the second round of blow drying. Let's go. So now you can already tell the difference in the sleekness that you get out of the second blow dry. So I like to do the first round, like I said, just to dry the hair, but like look at the difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this to the rest of my hair, and then I'll be right back to show you guys what it looks like before we go ahead and start flat ironing. So I just finished doing the second blow dry on this side of my hair, and I wanted to show you guys the difference. So whenever you guys are straightening your natural hair and you feel like the results aren't what you thought they would, try to take your time in the blow dry process. Try this step out. I'm telling you, like, look at the difference. My hair, excuse me, but if you want the results to last and look really good, make sure you take the extra time and blow dry your hair, you know, to its fullest potential. So I'm gonna go ahead, get a glass of water because I'm sweating, and to the side. So now I'm ready to go ahead and start flat ironing my hair. This flat iron, I don't even know where I got it from. It's by Absolute Heat Pro Ion. I don't know, works pretty good. So yeah, whew, it is ready. And I do not do the chase method because I'm not coordinated enough for that. So I just try to take really small sections and go really slow, and then like I'll brush through it, you know, like as I go. I may do more than one pass. It is what it is, okay? Like I don't straighten my hair. Like I said, I haven't done this in a year, and my hair is pretty thick, so I feel like it can take a lot more than other people's hair maybe. So if you know that your hair is really frail and fragile or thin or, you know, like super damaged, then maybe don't do as many passes as I might. But I feel like everybody knows their own hair, so you know, just do you. So here's what it looks like after one pass. I already know that I'm gonna have to clip my ends, so my ends are gonna be a little bit ratty, but that's okay.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the January. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. This Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
I just finished flat ironing my hair. I added a little bit of oil to make it look shiny. I went in and added like some curls, not curls, but I just tried to kind of disguise my ends. So I thought that adding a few curls would do it, but I didn't like the way that it looked, so I just brushed those out. But yeah, here is what my hair is looking like. The ends definitely need to be trimmed, so that's why they look kind of puffy, because they did start to puff up towards the end, but I'm not mad at it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm feeling pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for bed. I'm gonna wrap my hair, and I think that in the morning it'll be a little bit more sleek and flat. But yeah. My hair feels super healthy. It doesn't feel dry or anything like that. So I think this was good. Has a lot of shine. It looks very healthy. I'm happy. I know it looks super frizzy, but that's just because my ends are so bad. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Hold up,